Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to Access Arabic. I'm so happy you could join us. In this series, inshallah, you will learn how to read the Quran properly and quickly, inshallah. The lessons will be divided into chunks, inshallah, to make it easier, and lesson 1 will be in 4 parts, inshallah. We'll spend a little extra time to focus on letters, as they are the foundation of your Arabic journey. Remember, with weak foundations, even the tallest building will fall. So throughout the lessons, of course, I want you to learn the name of the letters, but the most important thing is that you learn and master the sounds they make, because we speak and read in sounds, not letters. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Letter number 1 is alif. Now repeat after me. Alif, alif, alif. For now, we'll say it makes a stretched ah sound. So repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. You'll see why I said that in future videos, inshallah. So we started with alif, and now we move on to letter number 2. This is ba. This letter is called ba. So repeat after me. Ba, ba, ba. It makes a b sound. Now repeat after me. B, b, b. Remember to make your lips touch together. That's b, b, b. You could say it looks like a smile with one dot on the bottom. So that's b, 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 ba, ba, ba. So we've had alif, then we had ba, and now we have ta. So that's, repeat after me, ta, ta, ta. It makes a t sound. So repeat after me. T, t, t. Make your tongue touch the top of your 2 teeth. See what I did there? It looks like a smiley face. The 2 dots look like eyes. And that's t, t, t. Ta, ta, ta. So we've had alif, we've had ba, we've had ta. And now we move on to letter number 4, and that's called tha. So repeat after me. Tha, tha, tha. It makes a th sound. So repeat the sound after me. Th, th, th. The th sound is like in the English word 3, and it looks like a smile with, you got it, 3 dots on the top. So that's th, th, th. Tha, tha, tha. So we'll read the letters again. So we've had alif, we've had ba, we've had ta, and we've had tha. And now we'll move on to letter number 5, which is Jeem. As you can see, it has a slightly different shape. So that's Jeem. Repeat after me. Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. It makes a j sound. So repeat. J, j, j. So that's j, j, j. Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. So we've had alif, ba, ta, tha, jeem, and next we have ha. So repeat after me. Ha, ha, ha. This sound is not found in English. It comes from the middle of the throat and is a very sharp sound. Ha, ha, ha. It's a very breathy sound, as you can hear. Ha, ha. So that's ha, 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 ha. Just practice a couple of times, just try your best to get it right, and inshallah it will become easy for you, because Allah Azza wa Jal has made the Quran easy for remembrance. So now we'll read the letters again. That's alif, ba, ta, tha, jeem, ha, and we move on to the last letter for this lesson, which is khaa. So repeat after me. Khaa, khaa, khaa. It makes a ch sound. So repeat that sound after me. It comes from the top part of the throat. So that's khaa, khaa, khaa. So we've covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in this video, and we'll read them again. That's alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. Don't forget to practice them and join us in the next video, inshallah. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side. Ma'as salama. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.